To get a PCB quote online, simply click on the Request a Quote button. Once the form loads, start out by defining your board type. Then enter your part number and revision. This helps keep track of all your parts, track revisions, and easily place repeat orders. Next, we need to select the services we require, so click on the PCB Manufacturing checkbox. Finally, mention the quantities you would like PCB Tray provide you a quote on and click on the next step. PCB Trace provides instant quotes on multiple sets of quantities within minutes. To provide you an accurate quote, we need to know all of your board specifications. We have simplified this process by combining all complex attributes of a PCB board and presented it in an intuitive, easy-to-fill-out form. Start off by selecting the number of layers your board has. Next, pick the material type you would like. We offer a wide range of materials to choose from. Then enter your board size in inches. Then set the thickness of your board. If you would like to set up your board as an array, click the checkbox. Then define your array matrix, the spacing between your boards and the array border, and we will automatically generate the array size, which you can visually see by clicking the View Array button, and also download and save this information as a PDF file. If at any point during this time you require additional information on an attribute, simply click on the blue question mark next to the attribute to show in-depth information about that attribute. Now, go ahead and set the finish type from a wide variety of selections for your board, followed by the IPC class selection. If your board has more than 2 layers, you can set the copper thickness for your internal layers as well. Be sure to look at the compatibility chart of copper thickness to trace space by clicking the blue question mark so that your board meets the production standards. Finally, pick your mask and silkscreen colors and then click on the next step. You will now be presented with a form to define advanced optional attributes about your board. Start off by defining the number of cutouts slots on your board, followed by the number of countersink counterbore drill holes for your PCB. If your board contains gold fingers, make sure you set the number of gold fingers followed by the hard gold thickness you would like for those fingers. Also, if your board design has controlled stackup, then select Yes for dielectric. And if you want controlled impedance, then set that too to Yes, and then define the tolerance you would like. Next, if any of the additional attributes apply to your board, then please define those attributes before clicking the Next Step button to proceed to the next step.